Hi, welcome back. In our last video, we completed the brand list. How to display the brand list. Okay. Uh, in this video, I'm going to talk about the car model part. We are in our previous videos. We have to put the some dummy text. This all the options values we have passed by ourselves. In this video, what we are going to do is I'm going to get the data from the database and how to pass into the selected uh, option box. Okay, so now you have an idea how to pass it. So here the brand. So let's pass it inside the select statement. The same brand is what we are done. Here the same query. You just copy it. Here we have get data, retrieve the data from the database and pass it to the relevant columns. Here what you are going to do is uh, retrieve the data from the database and passing to the respective drop down. That's the only thing we have to change it. Okay, here we have passing to the relevant columns. Okay, in card model we are passing retrieving the data from the database and passing to the relevant drop downs. So what you're going to do is just copy this line of code snip, open that particular page and paste it over here. Right, so here it asks the connection, everything here, this one. You don't need to, you have to ask to import the classes. Hold on the Alt key down and press enter key on your keyboard. It asks to import the class. You have to select this one. It's SQL dot, this is a namespace. DB also we have you have created the DB here, this is the DB. Okay, just Alt press enter. It asks where's the DB? Where's the problem? Right. DB. Right. Okay. This one prepares Alt press enter. This one also all press it automatically. It take care of all the classes. Right. That's it. Now here you will be able to see it's a while loop. It's open and close it or open it here. I want to close after this option pan is or the option is completed. So we have to, again you have to write the JSP tag, close tag. You have to write the close tag. Right. You have to write the JSP close tag. Right. Now here I need only one option. Get rid of this other option. What you're going to is now I'm going to make it as its Honda. I want to get rid of this Honda here. I have to make this tags. Which tags? You have to make it as get the tags from where? So brand. This is the same tag. Just copy this tag, one of the tag, back to my car model. Go to paste it over here. Here, what you are going to do is instead of display the dummy data, we have to display the name, brand name. The same thing, you just copy it. Option value I'm going to display the name the name relevant ID. So here also we have a column called ID. That's it. That's the two things we have to display. That's the thing you have to do it. Right. So let's after run the changes, let's execute the program. Let's run the program and check how the output look like. Car model.jsp. What you're going to do is what's the problem? Then if you get any problem, it will be you will be able to read the text trace what the problem is it is. Run what is something error coming from the code here, this point, the code, the brand, while loop it open and close back bracket, here also close the bracket. So this is the error. Wait 1 minute. So we have to get rid of this line, something happening in this line, I think. Right now, let's execute the program and check it. What is syntax array? You have to understand what the syntax array is. It is okay. So first, if you have get ran into the error, don't go struggling. Okay, you just read the error and get the solution for it. Right. So here, car model. Now it's working. Here it's working. Whatever you have did it, but the error is coming from here. The code is working. There are three data is available. It's working here. Now what you've done is here is the same error. So what you have done is here, instead of that here, I have to pass it the this code. I think the problem is here. Code passing to the here in between the this command, right? So this one is a name. I want to make it as name, right? A name. Name is not int. You have to write a get string. That get string, right? Now let's check it. Car model. Now it's working here. Now it's working, but I need a ID of this one. When you select this particular LG, this is coming from our brand table database. When you click save button, not instead of the name, I want to save the ID. So ID here, the value you have set as ID. So get rid of this line. So you just copy this the same code. You have to paste it inside this double quotation mark. You have to make it as this one is ID. Now let's check it again. When you are making the code snip, so you have to understand where the errors coming from. All things you have to be carefully do the things. The simple smelly comma, it won't run in the code. Now here it's working. Now perfect. Here it's working perfect. Now it's working perfect. Right. Now it's working perfect. Right. I hope you guys you understood the things so far. Now what you're going to do is I already registered some. Now if you want to ABC, I have to select the LG model. I'm going to select as LG model. I'm going to select as LG 0001 car. Something the model added. They will be able to see the model added. Right. If you want to save the Samsung Sam, something like that, model added. Here it's working perfectly well. Now it's working perfectly well. Right. Now if you want to, I want to make the another list. Okay, so here I'm going to make it a car model list, right? So we have two car model list. We have to create select the same car model dot .jsp. This one, it's not here. This one, brand list, the same page. Copy, paste inside this web inf folder. This one should be the car list, not brand list. Car model list, car model list. Car model list. Where's the table goes on? Sorry, not here. Just cut off this line. You have to paste it here. Web app. I wrongly paste it. Sorry. Now here it's coming. Car model list. Now here, what you're going to do is here. You have what are the things we needed for the car model list? We need a brand, model, okay, brand and model. ID, brand and model. We have a three things. Brand and model. Car, ID, right. So what you're going to do is here. First we have an ID. We need a ID for that. So what you're going to do is here, mm, right, first we have to get the ID, right? So ID here, it will be display the ID. After that, name of the model name, right? So model name, so the ID. Third name, third one should be the our model name. So what are the things we added into the database? Let me check. My open up the MySQL workbench and let's check it. What are the tables are there? Then we have to load car sales, name, brand ID. It's a name. Another one is a brand ID. So ID. ID also there here. So we have set the ID. It's a ID. So what is the thing? It's a brand ID. Name. Another thing is a brand ID. Brand ID. Right. After that we have a show edit delete button as well. The same form. So here this one should be the we have to make these pages later on. This one should be car show, car model show, car model edit, car model delete. Right. Later on we have to these pages we have created later on. Now let's check it whether it's working perfect or not. Again we have to execute the program and check it. Car model list. Okay, the problem is this here. I want to change it here. Not brand, this is a brand. Here this one's a car model. What's the table name? It's a car model. It's a table name. Model. This is a table name. That's a error. Okay. I have wrongly selected model ID brand ID. Okay. Now let's check it. Right. Here it's working. Here it's working. Right. So here we need an additional column. We have to didn't write it. That's the problem. So brand name. So now here this is the model name. Model name. After that brand. So brand. After that option. After that option. That's the thing. Right. Now let's check it. Now it's working. In our next video, I'll be show you how to this one. I have to join the table and show you the instead of displaying the number, instead of the ID of the brand, I want to display the brand name. That's easily fine. Okay, this is very difficult to find. Okay, every time it goes the what's the ID of one, go to the database, you have to select that brand IDs. Okay, it's very difficult. So instead of display the name ID, we have to display the name. Okay, how to join the table and display the data. We'll see in my next video tutorial. Thank you for watching. So not a brand list. I have to make simple changes. This is not a brand list. This is the model car model list. Model list. That's the only thing we have to do it. It's working. Just text working here, carbon list. Right. Thank you for watching.